All right, everybody. Hadn't done a video in a couple of weeks. Not really worried about trying to make a living doing social media. But I do like sharing some of the stuff I work on. 80 model Z28, rebuilding the door hinges, the bushings, all that, pins, all that stuff. Got them laid out in here. Got a new steering box on. Had to remove the pitman arm from the old steering box, the original steering box, because you can't hardly buy a pitman arm. But new outer tie rods, new adjuster sleeves, inner tie rods, drag link, idler arm, all that's brand new. New coilovers, new brake rotors, got new calipers, new brake pads. Got the LS motor mocked up in it. New ICT billet, help support their burn up trailer full of stuff. I know I bought these about a month ago. Their trailer just burned up. But anyway, ICT billet, they've got a polyurethane bushing in them. Got a cross member for a 4L80. Got the 4L80 and the 5.3 mocked up in this car. Front stubs back under it. New body bushings. All that stuff's brand new. Had the front stub sandblasted and painted it hot rod black. New floor pans. We're gonna start back tomorrow night. Leaf springs had all that sandblasted, had the rear end housing sandblasted, painted it all hot rod black. New U-bolts. Disc brake conversion kit on the factory rear end. Floor pans new all the way back to the tail lights. We're going to finish painting all the frame rails, the wheel wells, all that stuff. And the next week or so, we're going to be wiring this car and getting it cranked up and running, getting the doors put back on it, getting all that stuff aligned. And hopefully within the next 6 weeks, this thing will be headed to paint. Hadn't shared this car in a little while. We've re-drilled new bolt holes to mount the 4L80 cross member. It's got the drop downs in it for the exhaust. That's pretty cool. So we'll get a measurement after we get it all set down, get a drive shaft made for it, and moving forward. We kind of bounce around, work on a lot of different stuff, but gonna clean the firewall up, patch the old heater box or where the heater core goes, vent some of that stuff, because we're gonna do a vintage air on it. And we'll be showing a few videos along the way. Y'all have a good one.